Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the In the Pines bundle. This comes with the Pinewood dies and the stamp set called In the Pines. I really love the snowbanks that are in the Pines dies. They're going to be awesome for all of my Christmas card designs. So I have a Whisper White thick piece here, and I'm just going to die cut one of the trees out, and I'm also going to use my take your pick die brush tip. It has a little brush thing, and sometimes it gets the little holes out, but I don't think it's necessarily meant to getting the holes out of your paper. It's to get your paper out of your die. But I soon realized this, and so then I just used the pokey end of my take your pick tool and I got all the little bits out. I have shaded spruce here and I'm squeezing the lid as best I can. And these new stamp pads, the old ones squeeze better. These ones don't squeeze so much, but you can still get a good amount in there. I have my aqua painter here, which is a hollow paintbrush that you can hold water. And what I ended up doing was dropping a little bit of water into that squeezed paint. And then before I got my tip wet, I made sure to run it along the paper a little bit. And that's just Whisper White regular stamping weight paper. And just so that it can dilute the color a little bit. And whatever color you're using, it's going to go on very strongly. So I do suggest doing just a little bit, and then you can always go back and add more. So I dried it on the setting number 1 of my heat tool. And I was just showing you there these adhesive sheets. As you can see, I have been die cutting some words out of my adhesive sheet. One side of the adhesive sheet here has paper on it, the side that is facing up towards us, and one side is still sticky. So what I ended up doing, I'm using every little bit of my adhesive sheet, and so I'm going to cover the back side of my feature piece here, the ink smoosh and the sentiment that says season's greetings. And so what I did, I'm just creating sort of like a dimensional background that will cover the whole piece of the background. Of course, if you don't have this, you can use dimensionals, but this way I'm not going to get much sagging, which I quite like at 50 years old. We do not want things to sag. All right, so now I have my Whisper White tree. That was a Whisper White thick tree that I die cut, and I've put it on the center. That's my card pretty much. I'm going to Wink of Stella the tree, and I'm also going to use what are they called? Adhesive backed snowflakes. I am in love with these. So simple card, but there's a little bit of die cutting, there's a little bit of aqua painting. It still gets the point across. It's a lovely little card. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.